So Oscar told this cute girl we were gonna meet her for coffee at 4:30.
And it's fine.
This is the most terrifying biking I've ever done.
Rome was a scary experience at first. When we got there, it was very dark, we got scammed at the airport, and none of us knew any Italian.
I think today alone I was probably scammed out of close to $50.
That's when we realized that for the first time, we were on our own. We're in the taxi.
I don't speak any of this language, so it's a lot scarier, I feel like.
I got the solution, I got my Google Translate, so
Yeah.
I want pizza.
Voglio una pizza.
Perfect.
Okay, good. We aced this trip.
Trying hard not to fall. On the way home, you were trying to wear me down, down. Kissing up on fences and up on walls. On the way home, I guess it's
It is a
all
lot
over
less
now,
scary.
now.
We're going to the Coliseum, and everything looks like it's from Assassin's Creed 2. We're very nervous about getting mugged. We hear that people yank cameras, but we wanted to bring you guys along, so we brought our cameras anyway.
We came up with an interesting theory about these columns.
It's like stray dogs, and they're like probably urinating on these columns.
And 2,000 years ago, there was also dogs that urinated these columns.
So we're thinking that that's the one thing that holds all of the architecture together, is that it was probably urinated on by dogs throughout the millennia.
So one cool thing about Rome is that there are mopeds and little Fiat cars everywhere.
Except the mopeds, they go in and out of the traffic like they don't care.
Mopeds are badass here.
I can't believe they built this whole city after Assassin's Creed 2. It's amazing.
I'm tired, we've been walking all day. It's been fun, no? We have some cool footage. We just met these guys who are like Spanish rappers, so... con los cabros aquí en Viña, vacilando con todos los raperos. ¿Y qué pasa? Vos también ven para acá, gringo loco, eres terrible pollo, te paseo, los picuñados. ¿Qué pasa, hermano? Puro vacilando. Oh, yeah, mira, me viene a pegar el loco.
Did you just say something about Americans?
No, somebody want that? Like a green? Like a green, go! Hey, we're inside of the Coliseum.
And it's really cool.
Yeah.
I feel like Russell Crowe.
My name is Maximus Decimus Meridius.
Except that there is no sand.
It's
The
extremely
lions
cool.
came over there.
Yeah.
And then the gladiators.
There's an aqueduct. Man, this place was lit. I think it actually was lit, too. I
Yeah.
think they had torches or some shit.
Too long to the weekend, too long till I come in your hands, too long since I've been a fool. Oh, yeah. Leave this little neighborhood, never knew love could hurt this good, oh, and it drives me wild. Cause when you look like that, I never ever wanted to be so bad, oh.
I got some pear gelato. Oh, that's really good.
I tried to get closer to the Pope, but I got kicked off by the Swiss guard, so that was fun.
So Oscar and I are gonna go get some pizza, some lunch.
Our last pizza in Rome.
It's the Roman pizza we had
Yes,
yesterday.
it was like a tourist pizza and it wasn't good.
No, we're gonna go somewhere really good. For reasons of heat, health, Pizza Ziza will remain closed. Oh my goodness.
Grazie.
Oscar won the pizza contest.
They call it special because they took everything they had in the kitchen. Going into the pizza.
We're trying to eat the pizza, but we don't know if we're not supposed to pick it up or not.
Yeah, I see people using fork and knives, so...
What'd you think? Trying to rent a Segway, but we couldn't because they won't let you take them just for fun. So we're gonna do bikes instead, which is less fun, but more safe.
We're about to go on a bike tour to Rome.
I feel like I've never worn a helmet that doesn't look ridiculous.
Yeah, me neither. Now this bike ride was quite scary. We had to buy an audio recorder from a store that was located on the other side of Rome. This meant biking roughly 8 miles up and down the hills of the city.
My butt hurts. These tires are terrible.
We had to be back for a poorly planned date and leave for the airport. We had only 1 hour for the whole trip.
This is insane.
And we exit through the right.
Okay, I'm following you. So Oscar told this cute girl we were gonna meet her for coffee at 4:30.
And it's fine.
So it's suddenly the Tour de Rome. Careful. I have never ridden so fast and so dangerously in my entire life.
You wouldn't have been fun otherwise, right?
No, it definitely would have been fun still. Ah, Flamingo! This place is awesome!